What makes the 2025 BMW M4 stand out from the crowd of high-performance sports cars? Is it the raw power under the hood? Or maybe the luxury that wraps every drive in comfort? Have you ever wondered how this beast manages to merge race-ready performance with cutting-edge technology and still give you that classic, exhilarating feel? Most importantly, is it the right choice for you, whether you're looking for speed, style, or something deeper? In this video, we'll dive deep into everything that makes the 2025 BMW M4 a legend in the making. From its hidden features and technology upgrades to some of the challenges only a few drivers have discovered, we'll leave no stone unturned. You'll learn why this M4 might not just be another fast car, but a statement that redefines high-performance driving. Stay till the end to discover a little-known fact about this BMW that even car enthusiasts rarely talk about. It just might change the way you see this masterpiece on wheels. Picture this. You're cruising down an empty highway at dusk, the sun sinking below the horizon. The wind cuts through your open window as you grip the leather steering wheel, feeling the car pull with authority. Under the hood, the M4's twin-turbo straight-six hums, calm and composed, yet powerful enough to deliver a 0 to 60 sprint in under 4 seconds. You push the pedal a little harder, and suddenly the road ahead seems limitless. But the M4 isn't just about going fast. It's about how it delivers speed. This is a car that not only accelerates but reads the road and responds in perfect sync with your every command. The way it hugs corners, the thrill as the chassis works beneath you, and the way the exhaust growls in perfect harmony. All this hints at a story much deeper than specs on a sheet. This M4 isn't just a machine, it's a marvel of precision engineering. With 473 horsepower in its standard form and a whopping 503 horsepower in the competition version, this car promises speed. But there's more to it than numbers. BMW has focused on making every drive more engaging, introducing an available manual transmission option for purists who want to feel connected to the road. And yes, you heard that right. A manual transmission in 2025. But that's not all. BMW's engineers have integrated features like adaptive M suspension, carbon bucket seats, and an M drift analyzer, ensuring that every journey, whether on the highway or track, feels like an adventure. Now, here's where things get even more interesting. Did you know that the M4 has one of the most controversial front grille designs in BMW's history? When it first debuted, this grille was met with split opinions. Some loved it, others hated it. But here's the kicker. BMW stuck to its design guns, and it's now becoming an iconic part of the brand's evolving identity. Also, despite the M4's powerful drivetrain and luxury features, many drivers find it too perfect. Yes, you heard that right, too perfect. The car's smooth precision means it delivers speed so efficiently that some drivers feel disconnected from the thrill of driving fast. It's almost too capable, handling corners and straights with such ease that the challenge of mastering it seems to fade away. But that's exactly what makes the M4 fascinating. It offers power without requiring an expert driver behind the wheel. The 2025 BMW M4 isn't just about horsepower. It's about how that power is delivered, creating a perfect fusion of speed and precision. Under the hood, the car houses a 3.0-liter twin-turbo inline-six engine that churns out 473 HP in the standard model and 503 HP in the competition trim. But here's the real twist. BMW hasn't just made this engine powerful. It's also built to be deceptively smooth. This makes the M4 feel less like a roaring beast and more like a highly trained athlete. Controlled, calculated, and always ready to strike. What's fascinating is that despite this controlled power delivery, the M4 offers drivers something increasingly rare: a manual transmission. In 2025, with most automakers ditching manuals in favor of lightning-fast automatics, BMW's choice feels like a bold move, almost like a gift to driving purists. Shifting gears manually isn't just about changing speeds. It's about connection. The kind that makes you feel every movement of the engine. It's as if the car asks you, are you ready to be part of the journey? However, for those who prefer technology to do the heavy lifting, the 8-speed automatic transmission is a dream. smooth and precise, adapting in real time whether you're cruising in comfort mode or unleashing fury in sport mode. Paired with the MX Drive all-wheel drive system, the car grips the road with unshakable confidence, giving drivers a sense of invincibility whether on dry asphalt or slick surfaces. But here's the catch. This all-wheel drive system is so advanced that it leaves some drivers wondering if the car makes things too easy. Imagine pushing a car to its limits, only to realize it still has more to offer. It's like playing a video game where you never quite reach the final boss. And then there's the adaptive M suspension, a marvel of modern engineering. It adjusts to your driving style on the fly, softening for city streets and stiffening up for aggressive cornering. With this system in play, even novice drivers can feel like seasoned racers. But some enthusiasts might argue that this precision takes away from the raw, unpredictable thrill they crave in a sports car. Every corner feels perfect, too perfect, like the M4 has already read the road before you even think about turning the wheel. As if these features weren't enough, BMW has added tech flourishes that turn the M4 into a futuristic playground. The M Drift Analyzer, for example, isn't just a gimmick. It's a feature designed to help you fine-tune your drifting skills, tracking metrics like drift angle and distance. It's a tool that whispers to thrill seekers, how far are you willing to push yourself? And just when you think you've seen it all, the M4 surprises you with luxury details, from the carbon bucket seats that feel like they belong in a race car to the expansive digital displays that seem more suited for a spaceship. But luxury doesn't come without quirks. The stiff seats, designed for the track, can feel punishing on long drives. It's as if the M4 wants to remind you that you're sitting in a machine built for speed, not comfort. At every turn, the 2025 BMW M4 offers a tantalizing balance of tech, speed, and style, but it leaves drivers with a question. Does it offer too much control? With features that smooth out every rough edge, the M4 feels almost supernatural, a car that never falters, even when pushed to the limit. For some, this is perfection. For others, it's a challenge in itself, finding the thrill within a machine that refuses to misbehave.